Hi, mathletes. Today's video is how to tackle math problems when you get stuck. It's helpful questions to guide your thinking. So, in math, it's common to feel stuck sometimes, but there are some simple questions that you can ask yourself to help you figure things out. So, in this video, we're going to learn some key questions to guide your thinking when you're faced with a tough problem. And these questions will help you stay organized, find patterns, and ensure that your answers make sense. So, the first question you can ask when you look at a problem is, what do I notice? Look carefully at the problem and see if you notice anything important. Are there any numbers or words that stand out? Are there shapes, patterns, or clues that could help you understand what to do next? Noticing these things can give you a hint about what to do. Another question is, can I explain my thinking? Can you explain how you're solving the problem in your own words? If you can, that means you really understand what's going on. Try talking it out or writing it down. If you can explain it clearly, you're probably on the right track. Another question is, what is one thing I know that might connect to this question? Think about something you already know that might help with this problem. Maybe you've solved a similar problem before, or you know a formula or a rule that applies. Try writing it down or drawing a picture. It can help you see how it connects to the problem. You can also ask, what is different or the same between this and another question? Compare this problem to one you've solved before. If it's similar, maybe you can use the same steps. If it's different, that might help you figure out a new way to solve it. How could I write or draw what I'm thinking? Well, sometimes it helps again to write out your ideas or to draw a picture. So, for example, if you're solving an equation, write out each step. If you're dealing with shapes, draw them. This can help you see what's going on and make the problem easier to understand. Is there a way to record what I found that might help? Well, when you solve part of the problem, write it down. Maybe you could make a table or use colors to show relationships. Keeping track of the numbers, steps, or ideas you've already figured out will help you avoid getting stuck and help you remember what you've done so far. Can I see a pattern? And how can this pattern help me find an answer? We'll look for any patterns that you see in the problem. Maybe the numbers are increasing by the same amount, or the shapes are repeating in a certain way. Use color to help you see the pattern, and that can help you find the answer. And does my answer make sense? After you've found an answer, ask yourself if it makes sense. Does it match the problem? For example, if you're finding the area of a rectangle, does your answer seem too big or too small based on the size of the rectangle? And if it doesn't make sense, go back and check your work to see if you made a mistake. Asking thoughtful questions is an important skill in math that helps you understand problems better and find solutions. Whether it's noticing patterns, explaining your thinking, or checking if your answer makes sense, these questions guide you through the process. So the next time you're stuck, try these questions and you'll be able to move forward with confidence. Remember, every math problem is a chance to practice critical thinking. And with the right questions, you can solve anything. Good luck out there, and thanks for watching.